Antonio Zamperla is an Italian company and one of the world's foremost players in creating attractions for amusement parks, with customers located in over 90 countries and served through its 4 production plants worldwide. The company operates on an international scale, generating over the 95% of the turnover abroad and shipping its attractions to the most popular amusement parks. In this global scenario, and with a main focus on increasing the quality of service offered to our customers before, during, and after installing our products, we decided to employ a solution to optimize and perform certification, installation, and after-sales maintenance procedures from remote rather than on-site. The solution we implemented is SpaceOne Augmented Collaboration by OverIT, which enables us to supervise field activities from remote, even thousands of kilometers away from the intervention site, without sacrificing our high-quality standards. Embedding augmented reality and artificial intelligence features, the product provides remote collaboration techniques, allowing experts based in Italy to support field technicians in real time, sharing with them multimedia contents, product sheets, as well as adding stick-to-where-placed AR annotations on their screen. Considered as science fiction until recently, this revolutionary working procedure has now become reality.
Before installing machineries, we rely on SpaceOne to perform quality checks on products and certification procedures from remote, making it possible for the inspection body to collaborate with end customers, who can supervise the testing process in real time with no need to leave their office. This offers clear advantages in terms of cost and time reduction. If required by inspectors, particular events or alarms can be simulated from remote and in real time during the testing phase. When it comes to installing complex attractions, we support our technicians from remote, providing them with relevant information to complete the activities, even in low connectivity areas. In the final after-sales process, our experts assist operators in quickly troubleshooting problems from remote. All this without ever making any compromises with regard to safety conditions, thanks to the integration with the hardware component of personal protective equipment. In addition, voice controls make it possible for technicians to operate hands-free, even in noisy environments.
All our business processes have reaped significant benefits of the implementation of SpaceOne, from the reduction in travels and costs for certifying and maintaining our products, through the rapid execution of the simplest interventions, to the increase of safety and efficiency levels of our staff. Last but not least, this tool places us among the pioneers in our sector and reflects our mission to bring amusement venues to life by combining innovation with entertainment ability.